Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of changing your address in Zoho Books. Updating your organization's address is very important because it shows up on your invoices, estimates, and all other client-facing documents. Whether you've moved to a new office, updated your billing location, or simply need to correct a small mistake, keeping your Zoho Books profile accurate helps you stay professional and avoid confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard where you can see your invoices, reports, and recent activities. Now look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the full settings menu where all of your account customization options are stored. Inside the settings page, under the organization section, click on Profile. This is where your key business details are stored, such as your organization name, logo, email, and address. Next, you'll notice your current organization address displayed on the screen. To update it, click the small pencil icon. A form will appear that allows you to enter your new details. Carefully type in your street address, city, zip code, and state/country. If your business operates in multiple locations, make sure you're editing the correct organization profile linked to your account. Here's something important to remember. This address is not just stored in your settings. It automatically appears on every invoice, estimate, and credit note that you send to your clients. That means accuracy really matters. Double-check spelling, formatting, and numbers to ensure everything looks professional. After entering your new address, scroll down and click on Proceed. At this point, Zoho Books will ask you whether you want the changes to apply only to new transactions or to all transactions past and future. Choose the option that works best for your business. Finally, click on Save Preferences. Without hitting save, your updates won't be applied, so don't skip this step. Once saved, your new address will instantly appear on all future invoices and documents created in Zoho Books. And that's it. You've successfully changed your address in Zoho Books. The process is quick, but it's an essential step to keep your business details accurate, professional, and compliant. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tutorials on Zoho Books and other business tools.